Hey, it cracks me up. I made a video of how to remove a bifold door before, and it took me like 5 minutes. I explained all kinds of stuff, and lots of viewers kept saying, hey Joe, get to the point. We just wasted 5 minutes of doing something that would take just a few seconds, okay? All you do is reach there, pull the back one, swivel it down, and voila. You happy now? There you go. Just like that. You see the top has a pin in it that fits right in there, and so once you pull that, it's that quick. Now when you put it back, this is pretty much how you put it back. You get the bottom, and then what I do is I swivel it a little bit like that, and I pop it right in there, and I get that one there. Kaboom! Is that quick enough for you? Look at that. And then if you have to adjust the bottom, you see right here, it's too far away from there. It's hitting over here. So I just get there, I lift up on this because the spring-loaded deal is up at the top, and I just swivel it over. Looks like it has to go a little bit more right there. I check that. Look at that. It's fine. Kaboom. That's how quick it is to take one of those down and to put one of those up. If you think I got lucky, so you don't have to do anything with this first one here. You just leave that right there. Reach up there, and all you're doing is grabbing the little pin right there and pulling down on it. And once I'm there, I'm just going to swivel this down like that. Get it away from there, lift up on the bottom. See? Now to put it down, back. I used to try to do it all kinds of funky ways, put it like this and tilt it down and all that. I can just hold it like this and work right here, line that up, and there's a foot bottom goodie on there, and I just kind of hold it on there and pull it over to feel when it clicks on. Right there. Now, see, it's on at the bottom, and I'm just going to swivel this, and I can see right up through the louver and see exactly where this is. Let go of my finger and pop it in the hole there. Get this wheel, push down on it, line it up, and then I'm real careful as I'm closing it because if I have it too close to the door, to the wall, it's going to rub, okay? So see, at this point, then I just have to do some little adjusting here because I don't have that exactly where it needs to go because it's hitting right there. So I'm just going to get down here. I'm going to take my hands and lift up on it and swivel it. And I'm just taking that pin and sliding it down that way, making sure it's not rubbing the wall. That's perfect. And there you go. One more time for all those non-believers, how quick it is to take one of these down. And how quick it is to put it back up. Beauty! That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.